Hey, what's up, everybody? It is Workout Wednesday. I am in my garage still. I think it's month 8, 9, I don't know. But anyway, I'm going to take you briefly through a chest workout. I'm going to do a couple chest exercises just to show and try it. You don't have to have some of the equipment I have, but you can simulate it to some degree. So first exercise we're going to start with is a decline push-ups. You don't have to use these, but I got them. I'm gonna put my feet up on my bench, and we'll do 3 sets of 20. Take a minute to 2 minute rest in between. So our next exercise is incline dumbbells. I'm using the power blocks. If you need some weights for home, get some power blocks. These are awesome. We'll do 3 sets of 12. Last one, we're going to use the exercise ball and do Dumbbell Fly. So let me get the dumbbell. So I want to let you know ahead of time. We'll do 3 sets of 15 on this one. Lower weight, concentrate on your form, stabilizing your back as much as possible. So there you go. That's 3 chest exercises you can do. Usually when I do chest, I also do triceps. I'll do those next. I'm not going to highlight those. I just wanted to show a couple chest exercises. And again, you don't have to have all the equipment. If you don't have it, there's different things you can do just with your body weight. If you need some ideas, Google it. There's a lot of trainers, YouTube, Instagram, social media that are showing a variety of chest exercises you can do at your home. So there you go. Now it's nothing to it but to do it.